Hello and welcome to this app training session that I've called Send a Draft. So basically, when we are placing an order, there is the same functionality either to send a draft to the customer in case we need to get a confirmation from the customer that everything is okay before we place the order, or actually place the order. The way we're gonna send a draft and place an order is exactly the same. The only difference is that when an order is open, we're sending a draft, and when the order is closed, we are sending an order. We're placing an order. We're actually sending that order to the factory to start production. So I'm gonna rescue the order I was doing before as an example. So order management, edit orders, and here this is the order. I make sure that everything is okay. Yes, 33 pairs for the deliveries with the sizing, everything is fine. What I want to do now is send a draft to my customer. So I go to order management, send orders, and then I'm gonna use the first one. See that the second one is closed, but the first one is open. The order for comforts the soul, it's open. So if I click into this button and I just hit send, I am going to send our order into the email address we have on file for this customer. In this case, you can make sure of the email address we have on file because right under the name of the customer, Comfort the Soul, it says the email address we have on file. In this case, lornans@telus.net. Let's say that we don't want to use this email address to send our draft, but we want to change that email address. We can do so by clicking the blue cross, and then here we can insert a different email. In this case, I'm going to write my own email because I don't want to bother this customer, because actually I'm doing this example with a real customer. So I just write my email address, I confirm, okay, and now you can see that instead of the email address that the system was offering because we have it on file, now we have my email address under the name of the customer. Again, if we want to send a draft, we just select the order and go to the center of the bottom of the screen, to the green button that says send, and we hit send. The app is going to ask us, are you sure you want to send the selected draft? And you click OK. You can see that in the bottom of the right corner there is a message that is saying sending orders is in progress, and now it's done. The orders have been correctly added to the company database. This system is quite easy and fast. So if you are in front of a customer, and you can be actually saying goodbye to him and at the same time telling him, well, your draft confirmation is already on your email. And I just wanted to show you that now if I go to my email program, here the first email is already the draft that I sent to myself. Again, here I see the total, the 33 pairs for a total of $2,500. Also, I have the delivery day that is actually for the 1st of March. I have the customer's name, so I have everything. The size runs, everything. Don't forget that every time we see an order confirmation or a draft confirmation, we can click on the image to enlarge it, which is a pretty good tool, because by doing this, we can see a very high quality image. We can enlarge for a better view, and also we can save the image into our computer, so we avoid another process, which is the customer asking us for the pictures. So thank you very much, and I'll see you later in the next training session.